Hi everyone, welcome back to DIYgeardo. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Amazon Fire HD10 2023 model. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the tablet and then proceed to remove the back cover. To remove the back cover, start by creating a gap near the charging port or along the side using a plastic picker or car pry tool. And then gently work your way around the edges to release the plastic clips securing the frame. Ensure all clips are released and then free the back cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. This model comes with two adhesive tabs. Gently peel and extract them to release the battery. Please note that the number of adhesive tabs or adhesive methods can be vary due to previous repair history. Since the adhesive tabs are missing, apply some heat to loosen the adhesive and gently pry the battery from the frame. Do not apply heat if the battery is damaged or swollen. Next, place the new battery on the body with adhesive. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, turn on the device for testing. Next, align the back cover with the body, starting from the top corner. Press gently but firmly until you hear the click sound. Continue the process around the frame. Gently apply even pressure along the seams to secure all clips. Ensure all clips are secured without any gaps. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments.